Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fight different weight classes in UFC 6. So fighting between classes is really easy. First we have to start our match, and to do that go to the play menu and then select fight now. Now before setting up our match we need to open settings. For that press X on Xbox or square on PlayStation. Once you open settings, then under combat style we need to select weight class type, and if it is set to strict then it will follow UFC style weight classes, and we have to select combined so that it will mix two or more weight classes into one. Once you have set it to combined, then you can just adjust the combat preset, weight class and difficulty, and then press the start button. After that we need to select our corner. I'll just go into red. Now we need to change the fighter type. For that press R1 on PlayStation or RB on Xbox and go to the base roster category, in which we can find all of the roster in one place. We just have to scroll down and select any of the fighter we want to use. So let's say I want to select Conor McGregor, then I can just select him like this. And now we have to choose our opponent. Again press R1 on PlayStation or RB on Xbox to select the base roster category, and you can select any of the fighter from any of the class. So let's say I want to select this fighter, then I can just select him and then ready, and the match between different classes will be started. This is the way. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.